Well, hello everyone, I am Blaze and this is Agni. So it's around 5 p.m. in the evening and I'm just heading out to buy a good mobile phone mount for my bike, as I have googled it and there were lots of cheap options available, but I just want to do a one-time investment. So I got to know about RAM mounts, which are pretty good and solid. Also they come with a lifetime warranty. Usual traffic routes, traffic everywhere. 5 बजे से ट्रैफिक हो गया. Now this thing I hate about Gurugram. Oh, instant braking. यार so to buy that mobile phone holder, it is showing 4,500 approximately on the internet, and now see the squids. अरे सुधर जाओ यार. Anyways, छोड़ो. Karma will give them answer. So currently I'm heading to Riders Planet, which is located in Ghitorni, and I hope that I will get a RAM mount over there. Wow, this machine is hooligan, yeah. If I will tell you that if you have to buy good accessories and gears for your bike and for yourself, so Riders Planet is a very trusted shop, and previously I used to go to Karol Bagh area and buy stuff from over there, and सही बताऊं तो एकदम मच्छी मार्केट जैसा लगता है और कभी कभी धोखा हो जाता है, and you don't know how to differentiate from an original product from a fake one, because वहाँ पे इतने फेक कॉपीज़ मिलती हैं जिसकी कोई हद नहीं है. और हम बाइकर्स को यार इतना पैसा लगता है, गियर्स इतने सस्ते नहीं आते, यूजुअली काफ़ी महंगे आते हैं. तो एटलीस्ट एक ऐसा वन स्टॉप सॉल्यूशन होना चाहिए कि वहाँ पे जाके बाइक की एक्सेसरीज़ भी मिल जाएं सारी, और जेन्युइन भी होने चाहिए. सो काफ़ी सर्च किया, दिल्ली मार्केट भी घूमा, एंड फाइनली राइडर्स प्लैनेट जाके मिला, एंड वहाँ से आई बॉट माई जैकेट. दैट इज़ अल्पाइन स्टार TGPR Air Plus jacket something. So that jacket was very good. Yeah, it is very good actually, and I am happy with that product. In fact, मेरी अभी तक की सारी जो भी गियर्स हैं वो मैंने राइडर्स प्लैनेट से ही लिए हैं. एंड ये शॉप थोड़ी सी काफ़ी कंफ्यूजिंग है, मतलब लोकेशन, इसका लोकेशन इतनी ईजिली ट्रेस नहीं हो पाता. So for you guys, if you want to buy original gears or genuine accessories for your bikes as well as gears for yourself, I will show you the way. करना क्या है, केवल एक बार गूगल में घिटोरनी मेट्रो स्टेशन तक पहुंच जाओ, एंड वहाँ से मैं अभी गाइड कर देता हूँ. अबे रोड के बीच में ही खड़ा है, मतलब idiot. And one more thing, I will not bore you guys with this usual Gurgaon traffic. So once I will reach at Gurgaon at Ghitorni मेट्रो स्टेशन, वहाँ से मैं फिर गाइड कर देता हूँ. So we almost reached to Ghitorni metro station, and after crossing that signal we'll reach to Ghitorni. Need to take a U-turn from here. Okay, so if you see that I have taken the U-turn from Ghitorni metro station. From there you will find this Firefox cycle store, and you just have to follow this road only. And here if you can see that club drive, Chelmsford Country Club, so you have to take a left from here, and then you have to go straight for 100 meters to 150 meters if I'm not wrong. So this was the confusion, because this shop is located inside this street, and if you can see that there are flags showing that Riders Planet, the motorcycle superstores. See, चलो अंदर चलते हैं. So here's the shop, Riders Planet, and 50 plus brands, one roof, largest motorbike store nationwide. 1 year, 2 stores, MG Road and Karol Bagh, for riders, by riders. Okay, so let's go inside and check. So if you see that they have a whole variety of jackets plus helmet for women as well. Think Xena from Zeus. This is a woman jacket. And they also have the leather suit from Alpine Star as well as RST Pro series. And here is also Alpine Star touring jacket. Here are the shoes. If I can see, there are charger, and this is a sideways bag, costed around 900 rupees. Good. In numbers of RAM mount accessories. I've also bought the connector for GoPro. Here is the Bolt charger, very good charger. I have one, so but as I'm not doing any long rides, so I have not attached that to my bike. And here are, if you see, G-Shock, huge variety of helmets, premium helmets, HJC and AGV. They are ECE approved. This is AGV. Okay, gloves, AGV Arai. This one is my favorite. It costed around 25,000 bucks. Helmets for women also, I guess. This is in pink color. Okay, and exhaust for the motorcycles. Wow, man. Speedo gloves. They have a huge range, and these are some SMK helmet, MT helmets, LS2 as well, I guess. Yeah, LS2 helmet. caps. Okay. Wow. Hydration pack, bungee rods, shoes. Full length racing boots. I have this model, Alpine Stars. So they also have a Bluetooth intercom, Cena. Okay. And here is Aprilia RSV4, I guess. And these are the bikes which are for sale. Ninja 650, I guess. Which bike is this? This is some kind of modified sports bike. KTM's. They also have Yamaha RD 350. Wow. Kawasaki Ninja. Some t-shirts. Okay. They also have some oil, bike cleaning clothes, module chain spray, brush for the chain spray. So this is all they have. Wow. Okay, so installed the RAM mount and see how it is work. It is pretty stiff and tough now. Start. Wow, man, now I am happy. So now I can easily see the display and feeling pretty much comfortable with it. Okay, so visor down and let's see Google आंटी क्या बोलती हैं. Okay, so this mount look pretty decent, elegant, and I am happy with this mount. This mount is also good for touring purposes. You don't have to use the tank bag separately for it, and I can actually look in to my mobile pretty well. So I got this for 4,430 rupees, as they have increased the price. Also have bought a GoPro adapter with this. Now it is not at all vibrating. It is good for me, if I say in one word. Okay, one more thing, viewers. This vlog came so late because I was stuck in work, from the last couple of weeks, so I haven't tried on Sunday as well. So most probably this Sunday I will be riding. The destination is not decided, but hopefully we'll go to some good place. Chalo guys, so I will end the vlog over here. Hope to see you soon. Might be this coming Monday or Tuesday. Till then, ride safe. This is Blaze signing off. Bye bye.